Hi everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Um, so the image you can see here, right? So this image is solely generated programmatically through Java code. This is not captured by any camera. This is just a basic example. So how to create an image through code? I mean programmatically. So let's understand. The thing is that let's say, pixels are the building blocks of an image, just like we have bricks for houses. So you take any image, right? For example, any image like this tiger. So these are all building blocks. These are all composed of many hundreds and thousands of pixels here. So we have to design and arrange all these pixels to get a complete image like this, right? So let's see how it can be done through Java. I have created a class and this functions, Java enters a main and I am calling this function. So here I have defined the length, width and height of the image to be 100. You can give any values. I have given 100 and 100, and then I'll construct an image of the type buffered image. So Java provides this buffered image class. This extend java.awt. So this actually builds an image, constructs an image having the values of width, height, and of the type RGB. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. So we have other as well, BGR, grayscale, and everything. The RGBs means if you combine two colors, you will get a third color. So when you can see all these yellow things and all, right? So when you combine two colors, you'll get the third color. So this is a color theory. So every pixel, if you see, is a mixture of 2 to 3 colors. So if you mix 2 3 colors, and you will get the third color, and that is being perceived by human eyes. So this is the thing. And and we use color class of the Java to as it implements paint color. It paints the given color to the image, and image.set RGB. So as this since this is the RGB class, I'm setting the values of RGB to image. So this is how the image construction works. So let's see how this particular can be done. We want width by 2. Half of the width should be painted green and another half to be blue, right? So I'll use in the first for loop, I'll run through I is equal to 0 and width by 2. So 0 means it starts from here, and width by 2 means it ends here. So till here I want it to be green. So till here, and height remains same. See, I'm not this is height, right? This is height and this is width. Height remains same, and I want it to be green color. So RGB, G is full 255. So the thing here, right? Every pixel has its own range from 0 to 255. So 0 means black and white means it is full. 255 means it's full green, like that. And again, if you go to binary, we have encodes of this 255 to binary and all, and this is LLFP, which is also used to store some information in the image. So here I have painted full green, and after the iteration of these two for loops couples, we will get green image because I'm setting width by 2 and height is same, and setting green to this one. And then for the next iteration, I will start from here. So width by 2, height remains the same, only width it will change from here to here, and I will paint full it as blue. Blue means RGB, B is full 255 and R and G are 0. So I'll just take this color and set color to the required image. And then we have this Java image class, and it has an okay, we have this write method, and in the write method it takes the argument called image img of the type buffered image, which we have to write, and png, this is of the form which type of image I want, JPEG or PNG, and this is a file it writes the image. So let me run this. The image created, I'll just refresh it, and we got this image. And if you just open, we got this image, right? So this is how image can be written through Java, and it is can be enhanced using many other logic, and more images can be painted and everything. So it's all basically physics designed by God Vishnu. So this is how it works. This can be enhanced more. And thanks everyone.